Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a link to a chart snapshot in TradingView. This is a quick way to share exactly what you're seeing on your screen. Your symbol, time frame, drawings, and indicators in a clean, static image that anyone can open in their browser, even if they don't have your layout. For Shopify store owners or beginners, this is especially useful if you want to share market trends, pricing setups, or analytics snapshots with team members, partners, or in online communities without giving access to your private layout or live data. First, make sure your chart looks the way you want it to appear in the snapshot. Whatever is visible right now is what the image will capture, including your drawings and indicators. If something is hidden or turned off, it won't appear in the snapshot. Keep in mind that this creates a snapshot of the current view. It doesn't update after you share it with your chart open. This means it's perfect for sending a frozen moment of your analysis, like highlighting a breakout, a trend line, or a specific price level to discuss with collaborators. Look to the top right area of the chart window. You'll see a small camera icon. This is the snapshot tool. Click that camera icon to bring up the snapshot options. A small menu will appear with choices like saving the image or copying it for sharing. Select Copy Link. TradingView will instantly generate a unique URL and copy it to your clipboard. You should see a brief confirmation letting you know the link has been copied. This link is convenient because you can instantly paste it anywhere, whether in a chat with your team, a Shopify store planning document, or even a forum where you're discussing strategies. That's it. You now have a shareable link to your exact chart view at this moment in time. You can paste that link into a chat, a document, a forum, or anywhere you need to show your setup. The person who opens it will see a static image hosted by TradingView that reflects what was on your screen when you clicked the camera. It's a great way to provide context for your analysis without requiring others to have TradingView accounts or your custom indicators. A few helpful notes as you use this. The snapshot captures the visible chart region, so if you want specific price action or annotations to be front and center, make sure they're on screen before you click the camera. If you're using multiple monitors or have panels resized, the snapshot respects your current layout dimensions. This is especially handy if you want to emphasize certain metrics or trends to your team without including unrelated chart sections. Also, this is different from sharing your chart layout link. The snapshot is an image, not a live chart, so it won't reveal your private layout or allow others to edit anything. This keeps your personal settings safe while still allowing you to share insights. If you don't immediately spot the camera icon, ensure you're in the main chart window and that the top toolbar is visible. On smaller screens, interface scaling can tuck items closer together, but the camera icon remains at the top right of the chart area. And there you go. Click the camera icon, choose Copy Link, and you're done. It's the fastest way to share a clean, consistent view of your analysis with anyone, anywhere. Whether you're sharing a sales trend, a market setup, or your latest Shopify pricing chart, this tool makes collaboration simple and professional.